Hello and good morning students, I am Shudipto and today in this class I am going to give you answers of the exercise simple tenses chapter number 6. This is for class 7 students. Okay. So I have already given you the video of this simple tenses chapter. Now I am going to give you the answers only. You may open your book. You should write the answer in your book. If you want to write in your copy, then only you can write it in your copy. Okay. So simple tense. What is simple tense? I have discussed that video. If you still haven't watched the video, go to the YouTube link and go to our Gurukul International School app. Okay, the video is there. So at first you have to watch the video, or at first you have to learn, you have to go through your grammar book very well, so that you will come to know what is actually simple tense. Simple tense what? Simple tense which happens naturally. Okay. And whenever we want to state an universal truth, such as sun rises in the east. So this type of sentences always we should express in simple tense. Now you have to open your book. I am giving you the answer. Okay. There is a table on your book. I am telling you the page number. Simple tense. The table is on your the page number 43. Okay. There is a table, the very first page, chapter 6, simple tense. Complete this table. There are three types of sentences. One is affirmative sentences, second is negative sentences, and third is interrogative sentences. So there is one sentence, that is Rita flies planes. This sentence is given in your book as a question. You have to write other the sense, that is negative sentences and interrogative sentences, as well as you have to write it according to the tense. You have to write in simple past tense and simple future tense. So here is the answer in front of you. Rita flies planes. It is the simple present affirmative. What will be simple past affirmative? It will be Rita flew planes. Fly is the present tense, flew is past tense, and future tense will be Rita will fly planes. Okay. If you want to write with your pencil, then you can write it here. If you want to pause the video, if you want to make a screenshot, do whatever you like. Next is negative sentence, that is Rita does not fly planes. Simple past, Rita did not fly planes, and simple future, Rita will not fly planes. Now, interrogative sentence, simple present, that is does Rita fly planes? Simple past interrogative, did Rita fly planes? Simple future interrogative, will Rita fly planes? Okay. So this is the table. You have to write the answer accordingly. Now I am going to next question answer segment, that is learn. Okay. Fill in the blanks according to the instruction. Open your book. In that book there is written some question according to the instruction. You have to write the answers. Okay, and it is page number I think 44. As a child, I dash in my free time, but now I dash daily. You have to write simple past of play and simple present of read. So it will be the first is played and second is read. Next question, second. I dash to the news with great interest. Then I dash to become a journalist. Simple past of listen and simple past of decide. So it would be listened and decided. Third question. A fire dash out because of the firecrackers. So here the instruction you have to write in simple past of break. So it would be broke. Now question number 4. I dash to my uncle's house tomorrow evening. You have to write into simple future of go. So it would be I shall or I will. What is the use of shall or will? In case is the person or the doer of the verb is first person and it is in future tense. Simply use shall. I shall go, I shall read, I shall eat. It is if there is no other condition, if there is no other emphasize, if there no determination, so that simple way, it is a natural and normal way. If it refers the tense as simple future tense, we should use shall. Okay, but if there is any confirmation, if there is any determination, if there any condition, then only we can use I will go there, means I must go there. That is a firm determination. I will do it. Okay, I must do it in this sense. I will go there means it is a very urgent, so I will go there. But I shall go there means it is not so urgent. Probably I want to go. Okay, in the same sense I shall go there, but it is not some strong determination. When a strong determination will come in the sentence, we must use will with the first person or second first person, singular and plural also. Okay, and rest of this means I, we. I is first person singular number, we is first person plural number. Except this second person singular number, that is you, second person plural, this is you, third person singular he, she, it, and their plural is they. Except first person singular and first person plural, we must use will. You will, he will, she will, it will, they will. Okay. So in this way we must use shall and will according to the person. Now next, question is question number 5. He dash his full support to the team, but they dash not dash his instructions. Simple past of lend and simple past of follow. So you have to write here lent, lend. It is a past form of lend. It is lent, and negative past it will be did not. If something happened in past tense and it was negative, so that we must use did. Now next, question number 6. Yes, question number 6 here. I dash for my friends next Monday. Simple future of sing. So it will be I will sing or I shall sing. Question number 7. I usually dash off early in the morning. This morning I dash off really late. Full stop. I dash till 9 a.m. So you have to write simple present of awake, simple past of awake, and simple past of sleep. So here will be the first answer. Into the gap you have to write wake, W-A-K-E. Second gap you have to write oak, W-O-K-E. And in the third gap you have to write slept. Slept is the past form of sleep. Now question number 8. I dash my summer vacation assignment on time. The last time I dash it late. You have to write simple future of submit and simple past of submit. So here will be I shall or will submit, and the past tense of submit is submitted. Okay. Then question number 9. My sister and I dash a glass of milk each every morning. You have to write the simple present tense of drink. My sister and I drink a glass of milk each every morning. Now question number 10. The purpose of education is to dash students how to be independent and open their minds to learning. You have to write into simple present of teach. So it is very easy. Now the 11, question number 11. I dash not dash the way to the farmhouse. How dash I dash the place. You have to write simple present of know and simple future of reach. So here will be know, K-N-O-W, know, it is the present tense, and simple future tense will be shall or will reach. Now question number 12. They dash the film at a beautiful location in the hills. Simple present of shoot. Shoot means shooting. Okay, it would be they shot. It is the past tense. Or if you because it is mentioned that simple past of shoot, it will be shot. Now next is practice session. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. Mr. Roy dash cook for his family every day. So I am just reading this passage with the correct verb and the conjugation of verbs. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given within the bracket. Mr. Roy cooks for his family every day. He buys vegetables and fish every morning before going to work. He worked in a factory before he joined his present office. At that time, he lived in the suburbs in Kolkata. His parents stay with him now, but his children will move to Mumbai for higher studies next month. They will submit applications for hostel facility by Monday. They miss their father's cooking. Presently, their father teach them how to cook. Mr. Roy knows that he will have to buy more meat today as some friends will come for dinner. Okay? Now next, you have to open your book. It is practice B. Fill in the blanks as per the instructions. My sister never dash coffee, she dash tea. So the first verb is drink, second is prefer. You have to write into simple present. So it is drinks and prefers. I am just telling you the answer. The Das family enjoyed the vacation thoroughly. Question number 3. He will swim at the tournament in March. Question number 4. The river will overflow if it rains again tomorrow. Question number 5. Rahul attends the workshop in the evening. Question number 5. Now question number 6. He cancelled the show tickets. Question number 7. Ritika teaches her sisters skateboarding. Question number 8. The cuckoo lays its eggs in a crow's nest. Question number 9. My mother will take a taxi to work if it rains. Question number 10. He fastened the rope to the anchor. Question number 11. I shall or I will meet her next week. Question number 12. Thomas Edison invented the telephone. Okay. Now go to next page. Rewrite the paragraph using the simple past tense. I am just going through the whole chapter with the correct answer. Okay. I play tennis every day. As it is past tense, simple past tense, you have to change the following verbs into simple past tense. So, I played tennis every day. Captain Kohli was my coach. He was very strict and disciplined. I exercised for 2 hours every day, after which I swam for an hour. I followed a strict diet and did not eat too much rice or other carbohydrates. I slept for at least 8 hours every day. I ran 3 kilometers twice a week. I practiced tennis at my father's club. The club opened at 6 in the morning and closed at evening at night. I enjoyed playing tennis. Now go to next. Describe this picture. There is a picture. Okay. Page number 47. Question number D. Describe this picture using simple tense. Okay. So open at your book, page number 47. There is a picture of a market. You have to describe. I am giving you the answer, but you have to elaborate it. There may be, if you want to discuss, there may be more or less 30 sentences you can create it. Okay. Still, I am giving you some sentences. The description is here. This is a market. You get everything here under one roof. There is a fruit shop. The fruit shop has fresh watermelon and apples. A woman and her child buy fruits. Another lady is buying with her daughter. They have a trolley which they will fill with things. Two children run around. A young girl carries shopping bags. There is also a candy store. A man stands at the stairs with his child, while another man looks down at the scene. It is a busy market. Everyone is busy here to do something. Okay, so D is completed. You have to write more and more sentences. Okay. Now, question number E. Rewrite the sentences using the simple future tense. Make other necessary changes if required. So here is the question from your book, that is, the train leaves at 9:30 a.m. So here you have to make into simple future. So the answer is the train will leave at 9:30 a.m. We had lunch at a restaurant on Saturday. So here will be the answer. We will have lunch at a restaurant on Saturday. Question number 3. It snowed in the mountains last evening. It will snow in the mountains tomorrow evening. Question number 4. My friend and I went to see a play last Friday. My friend and I will go to see a play next Friday. Question number 5. They flew to Paris last month. Question number 5 answer. They will fly to Paris next month. Question number 6. I drove him to the station so that he wouldn't miss his train. The answer is, I will drive him to the station so that he doesn't miss his train. Question number 7. The sky was covered with dark clouds and it began to rain. Question number 7. The sky will be covered with dark clouds and it will begin to rain. Question number 8. I carry a bag, some books and a bottle of water to walk. I will carry a bag, some books and a bottle of water to walk. Now, next page. Question number 9. I traveled by local train to the suburbs every day. Question number 9. I will travel by local train to the suburbs every day. Question number 10. I train young girls at the football academy and get a monthly salary. Question number 10. I will train young girls at the football academy and get a monthly salary. Question number 11. People around the world get together to welcome the new year on the night of 31st December. Here the answer is, people around the world will get together to welcome the new year on the night of 31st December. Question number 12. My parents were out of station for about 3 weeks last month. Answer number 12. My parents will be out of town for about 3 weeks next month. 13. My daughter attends piano classes every Thursday. My daughter will attend piano class every Thursday. Question number 14. The giant demanded more food as soon as he had finished eating. The giant will demand more food as soon as he will have finished eating. Question number 15. Last Friday we bought our very first pet. Next Friday we will buy our very fast bit. So here the answer of chapter number 6, the exercise answer, I have completed the answer. I have given each and every answer of the question. You have to write, you have to learn very well, you have to focus on it, so that this tense, conjugation verbs, simple tense will be as simple as water to you. Okay, so stay tuned with us, stay at home, focus on your study. Till then, bye bye. I will be there in front of you with a new video very soon. Thank you. Have a nice day.